Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this pretty and easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your gents sweater, ladies sweater, cardigan. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. See, so this is only 8 rows repeat pattern and you need to cast 10 multiples of 4 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 4 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. For the demonstration I have 14 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3 times 4 12 and plus 2 edge stitch 14. So row 1 right side. Row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2, knit 2. That's the repeat, purl 2 and knit 2. Repeat that again, purl 2, knit 2. One more repeat, purl 2 and knit 2. 1, 2. And your last, we have done 3 repeats here, and after you finish your all repeats, for a last edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. Row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and purl all stitches. Row 3, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2 and knit 1. That's the repeat, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. Again, repeat that again, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2 and knit 1. Again, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. Last edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5, slip your edge stitch, start the repeat from here. Knit 2, purl 2. That's the repeat, knit 2 and purl 2. Again, knit 2, purl 2. Knit 2, purl 2. Edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. That's the repeat, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. Again, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. Again, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2 and purl 1. Edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 8 last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.